Title, description, or tags, these are three pieces of metadata. As SEOs, we use them in our videos to assist the YouTube algorithm in understanding the content and context. If used properly, it's very effective in reaching your target audience and gaining more views. However, most people don't know the correct way to utilize them. People often do the work in the title that should be done in the description. They end up writing irrelevant content in the description, resulting in a mismatch between the title and the channel's content. So, what's the top video on that channel? The right way to add titles, descriptions, and tags for YouTube videos is crucial. First and foremost, the title is the most important factor. It's because the title is the first thing viewers see, along with the thumbnail. Based on the title, viewers decide whether to watch the video or not. Therefore, it's necessary to optimize our titles for the algorithm and also make them appealing to humans. The first step is to create short and easily readable titles. We all know that the title should be engaging and catchy. However, it doesn't mean you need to stuff keywords into the title. Many people believe that since YouTube allows 100 characters, they should use all of them for keywords. But that's not the case. In most instances, it's best to keep the title within 70 characters. There are two reasons for this recommendation. First, in 2023, viewers have a short attention span, and they quickly scan through video titles. They decide whether to watch a video based on a quick glance at the title. Therefore, it's crucial to keep the titles short and attention-grabbing. Second, if a title exceeds 70 characters, it gets cut off in the suggested section, usually after 40 to 50 characters. YouTubers like Mr. Beast keep their titles around 50 characters to ensure they are fully visible in the traffic source. The second tip is to play with viewers' emotions. While optimizing for the algorithm is important, we also need to write for human viewers. Including phrases that evoke emotions like excitement, shock, fear, urgency, etc., can be effective. For example, if the video is about 5 tips to get more views, phrases like instant results or this always works can add excitement. Similarly, phrases like don't miss this can create urgency, while phrases like do this or never grow on YouTube can evoke fear. Incorporating these emotional elements in the title can help capture viewers' attention and increase engagement. Now, let's talk about descriptions. People have mixed opinions about their usefulness, but according to YouTube, descriptions are indeed important. It's recommended to write descriptions with relevant keywords to help your videos be more discoverable through search. When writing descriptions, it's helpful to conduct keyword research related to the video's main topic. Including the most important keyword phrases in the beginning of the description can be beneficial. You can also provide an overview of the video to give viewers an idea of what to expect. While the overview is not extensively read, it can still provide value to those seeking additional information or clarification. Additionally, you can include timestamps and relevant links if needed. Tags, on the other hand, have limited impact on video discovery. They play a minor role compared to titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Although some creators focus on tags, YouTube itself states that tags have minimal significance. Nevertheless, it's still a good practice to add tags using relevant keywords and phrases related to the video's content. You can manually search for keywords and observe how other creators in the same niche use tags. Additionally, websites like rapidtags.com can help generate useful tags based on the main keyword of your video. However, it's important to avoid excessive tag stuffing, as YouTube discourages this practice. In conclusion, proper SEO optimization can contribute to the ranking of your videos, but it's not the sole determining factor. YouTube's algorithm takes into account various metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, average video duration, and viewer retention to rank videos. The ultimate goal of the platform is to show viewers content that they are genuinely interested in. Simply focusing on titles, descriptions, and tags won't guarantee high rankings. It's essential to create compelling and engaging content that resonates with your target audience.